Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check if your Samsung Galaxy A56 is on the blacklist. Alright, so let's begin. As you can see, currently I'm on the IMEI.info page. Simply type IMEI.info, press enter and you'll get into this page. So in here you need to type your IMEI number. Also, if you don't know how to check your IMEI number, where is it located, also on our channel we have a video when I describe this whole page and what options do we got on the Samsung Galaxy A56, and also in this video I'm showing you how to check your IMEI number, so if you want you can look for it. And now we need to simply click on the check IMEI. Okay, now we have our phone. As you can see, we can scroll down a little bit. Also in here we have the basic information about the phone. We go down and now we have the basic checks free. And as you can see, the first option is the blacklist simple check. So we need to simply click on it. Now this blue button, check blacklist status. And now as you can see, we have the confirmation, this device is clean. Also below we have the brand, the model, our IMEI number and the confirmation that device is clean. Also below we have the date on which the report was created. And below, if you want, you can order the Blacklist Premium. So you simply click on order now. You scroll down, but as you can see it costs $4, so you need to pay for it, and the time needed for this action is from 10 seconds to 10 minutes. Also, if you scroll down again, in here you'll see a comparison how this looks like when your phone is blacklisted and how when it's clean. You have the comparison in here. The left is blacklisted, the right one is clean. Okay, also in here you can read more about Blacklist Check Pro. And if you scroll down, in here you have the advantages of using paid Blacklist Premium Check. And here they are. You can, for example, download the PDF certificate anytime. The results is fast, accurate and detailed. If your device is blacklisted, the result contains many details such as model, manufacturer, blacklisted by, blacklisted country, and blacklisted on. Okay, so that's all in this video. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.